Hello viewers, this is Asad Hanif, and today I'm going to show you how you can easily download Facebook videos with the proven methods that really works. So don't worry, it's very easy, and you don't need to download any kind of paid softwares and no need to sign up, and no need to install any kind of browser extension. And there is no limit of downloading, which means you can download unlimited number of videos from same platform without any kind of restrictions. So this downloading method is applicable for Windows operating systems, MacBooks, tablets, and other smart devices. So with this method you shall be able to download your desired video within few clicks. It's videoplayer.com. This is a basically free website to download your Facebook videos. Show video URL and copy this URL. Now let's back to the video player website, and from here you need to paste this video URL, then click on the arrow button. Here you go. Now your video has been processed. Then click on download button. And let the video download within few seconds depending upon the size of the video. So I hope you like this method and it worked for you. And as you can see that it's a very simple and easiest method. You don't need to do any kind of extra activities to download your videos. You don't need to register yourself on any website, or you don't need to purchase any subscription. This is a free website, it's called videoplayer.com, where you can download any kind of Facebook videos, and you can even also share the downloaded video link with your friends on Facebook, on Twitter, on Google Plus, on other social networks. And the great thing is you can also download Dailymotion, SoundCloud and Instagram videos with this website. As you can see that there is no registration or advertising option. So I hope you like this method and it worked for you. So if you want the free Facebook private video download method also, then just leave your comment in the comment section, and then I will make a detailed video on Facebook private video download. So good luck and thanks for watching.